the important thing is that you always challenge yourself, and I'm a strong believer in the philosophy of staying hungry, and really always being hungry for more and being hungry for bigger and better things, and whenever I have achieved the goal, then immediately after that, I ask myself, what other challenge can I put up to try to achieve, and that's what staying hungry basically means. I'm a strong believer also in the Western philosophy of conquering, of achieving, of climbing, of getting higher and higher to the top and all those things. Because that's, in my opinion, what life is all about, is living rich rather than just existing and just wasting away your life, since we only have one now.
I consider bodybuilding philosophical, very much so. I question my existence. Why do I exist? Where am I going? I always had this craving for more. I compare this to Jonathan Livingston Seagull. This seagull wanted to do something different than the normal everyday thing which he was supposed to do, and they urged him to do. He wanted to expand and to wonder and to do something unique and artistic, and not only in the sense for expanding his artistic ability, but in the sense of his expanding his awareness. To me, it's the same type of thing I associate with my bodybuilding. So naturally, the dedication I have for the sport is very intense. I'll give anything. I'll give total commitment to do it, because I must do it to the best or better than I can possibly do it to my ability. And that's what it's all about tomorrow night on stage. All year long I've been doing this, and now the final day is here to show what I've done.
Three-time Mr. Olympia, Frank Zane.
Number one, I will win. I will come on strong, stay long, talk loud, and win the Olympia crowd.
Oh, really?
That's it. Say it, believe it, and achieve it. It's as simple as that. Schwarzenegger goes today. Evita Zane, Evita Schwarzenegger. Samir's coming on strong.
All right, right on.
The Lebanese man.
Lebanese lover. Oh.
How you doing, Kenny? Good. Doing Kenny be as my manager? He's responsible for everything.
Feeling good?
Signs the checks, keeps me rolling.
You have the pen. The pen is mightier than the muscle in this particular case, right?
That's the goal.
Remember the golden rule. He who has the gold makes the rules.
Zane and Arnold in big trouble today.
Oh, I know that.
That goddamn
Yeah.
close. It was the one that was on top.
Yeah.
So just, remember that.
Right. Oh, yeah, I will. You remember that.
This damn thing is so close out there. They got so many great bodies in there.
Yeah.
I've never seen so many guys come in shape in one contest.
That's right, yeah, it's a dangerous situation.
That's right.
Yeah, I picked the right year, didn't I?
Smooth today. Yep.
Oh, gee, I like it.
Check it out, Tommy. Excellent.
A little bit too light, maybe.
Nah. You look great. She's never been that ripped.
Well, I just saw something here tonight, just now, right in here, that didn't exist on stage today.
Well, with that fucking lighting out there, nothing exists. That's another story.
Good. Brutal. Massive. Brutal. That's it.
You look much better than ever, by far.
He looks better than ever,
Ripped.
which is enough.
Oh, man. You don't...
Yeah, how can you look more than better than ever?
That's pretty hard to do. Maybe next year better than ever.
Yeah, but this is next year.
Yeah.
You've been reading some philosophy too, I see. I've been doing that every night now, reading philosophy.
Which is great.
It's interesting. It keeps my mind clear.
Fantastic. Confused.
Lost.
What do I do now? How long do you think it will be till we get up there?
Another hour?
1 hour to go.
I mean, for now?
Yeah.
Vielleicht spreche von 1, 2, 3 oder 4.
Hier?
Ja, und dann den anderen mit den Arm vorne. Ja, das ist besser, glaube ich. Und boom.
I would relax if I were you.
Can anybody find out how much more time it is?
We have exactly 20 minutes, okay?
We go out there?
Yeah.
Good.